Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a product that I purchased for my motorhome, and I classify this product as something that you need to have in your motorhome as a security device as well as a safety device. Even though we all try to not run our batteries down in our RV, whether it be the starting battery for the engine or the house batteries, there is going to come a time, if you do a lot of boondocking, where you could very well run both batteries down by mistake. And there's an old, I guess the old saying is Murphy's Law. And in this situation, there are times when you might just do that. And you need to make sure that, you know, you can get the motor running and get moving again. And this product here is the Noco Boost HD, and it's the GB70, which is good for jump starting an engine up to 7.4 liter, and that's exactly what I have in my motorhome. I have a 454 Chevy engine, and one of the things that I've been using this for is, when I purchased this motorhome, the house battery is an old lead acid battery that's basically junk. And I wanted to do some maintenance on my generator, my Onan generator. And of course I go to start the Onan and nothing. And I learned right away there that the power to start that generator is actually coming from the house battery. Now, I thought to myself, I don't plan on running my motorhome house system on a regular lead acid battery or even an AGM battery. What I'm going to be installing is a Blue Eddy AC 200 Max. So that's not suitable for starting the engine on my RV. So I wanted to have a device that I know when we're out boondocking, as one of the trips we plan to do is going across Newfoundland, and we are going to be in areas where we may not be able to get CAA or anybody to come out and give us a boost if we needed be. And this one here is rated for over 40 jumps per charge. It has a lithium battery inside. It has some silly stuff like a flashlight. And you might not think you're going to use a flashlight on something like this, but if you're, you know, moving around inside the engine bay and it's dark out, you might. It's got a positive and a negative, and the great thing is that it's got a safety feature on it that makes it so you can't put these on the wrong terminals. So if you did put the negative on the positive and the positive on the negative, this device senses it and shuts down and doesn't you know, put you in danger in that situation. So it's really great there. It also has, so you've got, it can be charged using a USB cable. So you've got an inlet here, and then you've got an USB out as well. So if you wanted to charge your cell phone or whatever the case may be, you could do that. Now the device isn't made for charging your you know, your cell phones and your tablets and all that sort of thing. It's made to jumpstart your vehicle and get you out of a bind if you know, if you do end up on the side of the road boondocking and you forget to check your batteries to make sure that you haven't run down both the house and the starting battery. It actually has a built-in feature as well that you can start a battery that's absolutely dead and doesn't show any power whatsoever, because some jump starters, unless they see some kind of power or a battery on the other end, they don't work. And this device has a feature on it this little button here where you can override that feature and start a battery that's completely, start your vehicle on a battery that's completely dead. So something that you want to have in your RV. It wasn't a cheap device, but Noco is known for its quality and its longevity, and it was about $300. But when you think about it, if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you can't get any help, $300 is a cheap price to pay for that. So this is a product that I feel strongly about. Nobody gave me this for free. This is just something that I bought on my own, and I would highly recommend having something like this in your RV for your safety as well. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for other helpful information, and hit that like button and the notification button to get future videos. Thanks very much. Have a great day.